Hey everybody, I have a small haul for you. Before I get into that, I do want to say that I'm hoping to get back to crafting regularly soon. It's just, life has just been crazy. Last week was reading week, and then this week is the book fair. I'm helping out with the book fair and just, you know, life in general. And so I'm hoping to get back to crafting regularly soon. And if you haven't checked out the my most recent video, I think it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago, maybe even longer than that. See, I don't even know what day it was that we put it up. I don't know. Anyways, I'll have it linked up here in the card. It is an amazing YouTube hop with tons and tons of prizes and amazing talented crafters and artists that Dee Dee had asked me to join, and of course I said yes. I love doing hops, like collaborations and things when I can. So yeah, so I'm hoping in the next few weeks I can get back to crafting regularly so I can get some project videos for you guys. And yeah, so this is a haul, and it's a sort of small haul. I picked this new Prima collection up from craftycity.com, and I will have all of these supplies and everything listed down below, so you guys can go check it out. And again, I got it from craftycity.com, and I believe now scrapbook.com has it, and I'm not sure anywhere else. I just had seen, I constantly check their new item section, and I had seen it today, so they do have it on scrapbook.com. So anyways, it is the Santorini Collection, I believe is how you pronounce it. Frank is always using words that I can never pronounce in French and all kinds of other different languages and from all over the world. But it's gorgeous. It's really pretty collection, and I'm just going to show you quickly. So you get these little cards. These are, I think, 2x3, and there's some foiled, and then on the back is this really pretty floral design. And then you get this one, some more cards, and you get 4 of each, and there's 6 designs. So that's really nice, especially when you have these ones with the cards on them, because that you get 4 of each design, because I always have a hard time cutting the cards out if I really like the pattern on the back. So that's the pattern on the back of that. Let's see. And then another collage paper, really pretty, with the flowers and music notes and script and all that. And then you get, excuse me, this one, it's more like a marble effect. Let's see. There we go. Sorry for the glare. And you got the foil in there. And then my AC just turned off. It is already really hot here in Nevada, and my AC is ridiculously loud. So anyways, this is another collage paper. I love the flowers on the side. And then I got this. This is really cool. It's like a brushed look, and then some of them are even in foil. Oh, can't even really see that, sorry. So really cool design. Then we have the strips, which is really nice to have, and then on the back another flower pattern, and then more cards. So this is a good collection for maybe like Project Life or something like that, that you would need a lot of these little cards for, or that you would want them for. And then this is the paper that I fell in love with. I love the blue, and then it has like the script on there, and then it's not like a straight line, it's more like rugged looking, I guess. So really nice paper. Alright, and then from the collection I got the chipboard, just here, and some of them have glitter and the foil. Got these ones. I love the flamingos, so cute. summer vacation. I cannot wait for summer. I just booked our first campsite, or our first camping trip in May, the end of May, so I'm super excited. And then these here, love the florals, and the little lady, super cute. And the bike, really cute. And then I got the Ephemera, which I like that they have the acetate pieces and then also more like the cardstock pieces. And I'm going to show you up close, so hopefully you guys can see, so I don't have to take them out. So you have some flamingos, the sandals, umbrella, pineapple, tags, different things like that. And then the acetate shapes. Got some florals, looks like a lemon. I think this is sunshine. Sorry, to see. And then the other one says adventure, and then some sunglasses and a little camera, and then a couple little cute little ladies there. Oh, come on, focus. So that's that. And then, excuse me, I got some flowers, and I love, love, love these flowers. I'm definitely going to have to get more of these. I love these types of flowers that have a variety of different ones in a pack. So I got those. And then these ones are really pretty as well. They have like beads in the center. Really, really pretty. And then I think these go with this line, I think, or maybe the Havana Collection. I wasn't too fond of the Havana Collection, although I do love the design team's projects with them. I don't know, I couldn't get it just yet, I don't think. I'm probably gonna end up picking it up, but yeah, for right now I just stuck with this one because I love the blue. It's so pretty. And then I also got some other flowers. I believe these go with the Havana Collection. I had to just pick them up because they were just too gorgeous to pass up. These ones here, I love these. These are so pretty. Got 2 packs of those, and then 2 packs of these. And again, I love these types of flowers. I have lots of different colors. I have like the beige ones, the brown ones, different pink ones. I think they had teal, or no, I think that was a different pack of flowers. But anyways, I hope they continue to make these because this is a really good variety pack, and I hope they come out with more colors. But yeah, that is my haul. Oh, I did get this mat. You can see here. It is supposed to be clear, but I had seen in Sybil's video that she did of her craft room, and it's actually like a gray, you could see through it. You could see my hand, but it's more like a grayish color, which I like because I didn't want it to be completely white. But I got it on Amazon, and I will have that listed down below too. It's from, well, it says Vantage cutting mat, and this size is 36 by 24. So really nice size. I do have the IKEA desk, and it hangs off just a little bit, which I'm a little bummed about, but it's not too much where it's gonna bug me. So anyways, that is going to complete this video. Again, I hope that I can get back to crafting regularly soon, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.